Welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to be showing you some of my top favorite outfits from my own closet, and I just thought I'd show you some of my favorites that I like wearing. Some of them are kind of like summer, winter, fall type vibes. I only have a few favorites because most of my clothes usually, you know, kind of need to go shopping right now. But these are my favorites right now, so I thought I'd just show you. And if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe. Check out the latest vlog right now, because as I'm posting this, there should be a new vlog. Hopefully, as I'm talking about it, there will be a new vlog up as this video is up. So, go check that out down below in the description below. And don't forget to subscribe as always. And let's get started, shall we? And also don't forget to check out the latest video also. And also you can subscribe over here as always. And check out the eye from my main channel. And let's get into it, shall we? As you can see, I've got my makeup all done. I already filmed one video today. So let's get started, shall we? Alright, I'll see you guys soon. Bye. So that is all I have for you guys today. I just want to show you some of my favorite pieces. I tried my best. I don't have really have a remote to like do it, but like hopefully it looks good in the editing process. But that's all I have for you guys today. Most of these pieces are from H&M, Forever 21, some Walmart pieces. This one's from, I think, Charlotte Russe or something like that. I can't remember, but like it's probably one of my favorite pieces I got when it was like summer, and it's so pretty. I love the detail on it. But anyways, that is all I have for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video of me showing some of my favorite outfits from my closet, and hopefully more videos coming soon. And check out the latest blog down below, industry below as always. Check out all the stuff down below as always, and also don't forget to subscribe and comment down below what you'd like to see soon, and hopefully more stuff coming very soon. And I'll see you guys in the next one. It'll probably be Get Ready With Me, which will be featured in this look. And I'll see you guys then. And until then, that's all, folks. Hope you guys have a great day and enjoy your Thanksgiving. And I know I will. I can't wait to dive in. And I'll see you guys soon. Comment down below what are you looking forward to at Thanksgiving, because I'm looking forward to everything right now. We got ham, we got turkey. Oh my gosh, I can't wait. But anyways, so see you guys soon. And that's all. XOXO. Bye.